Good morning, children. How are you all? How are you, children?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, very good. So
Fine.
now switch off your microphones.
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. Switch off your microphones now. Please pay attention here. As you all know that we are doing our chapter
Ma'am,
number
what
4.
to write this?
I will tell you when to write.
Be ready with your notebooks. Don't ask. Just be ready with your notebooks. She will tell you when to write. Fazan, switch off your mic, beta.
So as you all know that we have started our chapter tick chapter number 4. That is related with time. We have learned how to read time. We have learned how to draw hands on time. We have learned how to put AM and PM on time. Now today's our topic is we are going to learn two clocks today. That is the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock. So I'm going to draw here.
Ma'am, we have to draw the clock.
You don't need to do anything right now. Just pay attention here.
Just pay attention to what ma'am is doing. She will tell you when to draw. She will give you time to draw. Okay?
So can you see here something which is 2 here?
No, I cannot see you.
Which child is this?
Anya Mittal.
Anya, you go to Renu Punjabi ma'am, pin on my icon.
Out.
Just log out, switch off your camera and switch on again. So now this clock is which clock? Please write the answer in the chat box. This clock is which clock I'm asking. I'm not asking what time is it. I'm asking which clock is this and this is which clock. Ayush, this is digital clock. Yes.
Ma'am, this is digital and this is 12-hour clock.
12-hour clock. Analog clock also we can call it. So this is 12-hour clock. So can you see that if I want to put a time here, this time, which is here in the digital clock, I want to put this time in this clock. So am I right? This is 1:20 here. Can you tell me if you don't have this clock? Can you tell me what time it is showing? It is AM or PM? Yes, my dear. Yes. Now, can you show me? Can you tell me that how you will tell me PM, Ayush? I didn't mention anything. I'm asking, is it possible then when if you cannot see this time and you can see only this time, is it possible to mention the AM and PM?
No.
No, until you will not get what time is it in AM or PM?
Yes.
So in 20, yes, my dear, tell me.
Ma'am, if we have this clock, so we will also have nature. From nature, we can know what's AM and it's PM.
Yes, my dear. So if you have this 12-hour clock, it is compulsory to mention the AM or the PM. If I'm talking about 1:20, So it is compulsory that I have to mention that I am talking about 1:20 a.m. or 1:20 p.m. Right now, if we can see the digital clock, it's 13:20. It means I am talking about the 1:20 p.m. But in digital clock, in 24-hour clock, it is easy to identify whether it is they are talking how after 12. After 12 means they are talking about when 13, 14, 15, because it's a 24 hours clock. After 12, if it is 1, it will go to 13 to 14, then it will go like this till 24 hour till the day end. So it means if it is showing 13:20, it means it is showing in the PM. And please remember this, the digital clock always has 4 digit. 4 digit means 13:20, you can see. 4 digit means 2 digits to your hour side, left hand side, and 2 digits are for your minutes. Here you will use the colon for the hours and minutes. Here you will not use the colon for hours and minutes. You have to write the hours after this 1320 hours. Means 1320 hours. Because, yes, because the 12 hours, 1200 hours is the 12, and after 1200 is 1300 is the 1. So 1330 is will come. So 1320 will come in the hours. Please remember this, that in digital clock, in 24-hour clock, we will write hours, and in 12-hour clock, we will mention AM and PM. And more thing here that it is compulsory for 24
Ma'am,
hours.
I can't hear you.
It is compulsory for 24-hour clock to have the 4 digits. 4 digits means 2 digit for hours.
And I
2
can't
digit.
hear you.
Now, my dear, Catherine
Vihan,
ma'am, am I
log off
clear?
and log in. Yes, ma'am, you are. Vihan, log off and log in, please. Yes, ma'am, continue.
Yes, my dear, tell me.
Yes, Lama.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that if it is, ma'am, you said that in digital clock there are there are two digit numbers in each every side, right?
Yes, yes.
So, ma'am, if it is 8 o'clock, so it will be 08,
I
right?
will mention you. I will explain you that also. Yes, you are right. It is 08. Yes, I will explain. I will come to that point also. Okay. Now, please remember that always 4 digit in the hours in the 24-hour time, and there are hours should be mentioned in the 24 hours time, and AM and PM in the 12-hour clock time. And now please write in the chat box where you, at which places you see this 24-hour clock time. Please write in the chat box where you see it, where which places you can see the digital clock to be used. Because always on tickets you can see they always mention the time in the 24-hour clock time. And sometimes the people get confused. Yes? Yes,
Yes,
very good.
there.
Railway station, airport. Yes. Because they always mention, they work on international basis, so that they may always mention the time in the 24-hour clock time. And people get confused also that whether it is timing. You can read in your book also that there was a one girl, she got confused whether her train is at 5:30 in the evening or it is at 17, because it was timing was mentioned 17 something, so she got confused. So we will learn about that also when we will come on our chapter. Now, whatever I will write here on the board, please write in your notebooks. And after completing, give thumbs up to Catherine ma'am, and then she will instruct me whether I should proceed or I should wait. Write the date, write chapter number, write the, if you cannot see, I will move it. Write the topic, conversion of 12-hour clock time to
Ma'am, we have
24
to
hours.
write.
Yes,
Who
Lakshya.
is this? You have to write Lakshya.
Lakshya,
Ma'am
yes,
said I checked in the chat box. Please stop
yes,
asking
very
this
good.
question. Start writing.
Yes, Ekant, I got your answers. So please, children, write whatever now I'm writing on the board.
Start writing, all of you. Take out your notebook and
Conversion
nobody
of
else.
12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can see you a bit blurred, so ma'am, you can write in chat box. Ma'am, can you
What?
put down the board?
Dhruv is this?
Put your board a little. This is
Ma'am,
Ayansh.
I cannot
Ayansh, you can't see the board?
No.
Ayansh,
No,
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am, can you please check?
not here. It's not
not
I
clear.
cannot see
Okay.
properly.
I am writing in the chat box. Copy from there the topic.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
For example, if we take the examples, our 12-hour clock time is, and we want to convert it into the 24-hour clock time. For example, if it is 1 a.m. Now please pay attention here. From midnight 1 a.m. to 11:59 a.m.
Write this.
Yes, my dear, I told in the beginning you have to write this in your notebook. Now, when we are converting the 12-hour clock time to the 24-hour clock time, please remember this, that from midnight means from 1 a.m. If we are talking about a.m., it means it is night 1 a.m. From midnight 1 a.m. till 11:59 in the morning, we will not change the time. The time remains the same, because it is less than 12. After 12 only we will start adding. Clear, children? Now, if it is 1 a.m., it means we are talking about 1 a.m. at night. So from midnight 1 a.m. till the 11:59 a.m., the time remains the same in the 24-hour clock also. Just only remember that, as I told you, it should be the 4 digits here. Nothing is in the minutes. So first we write 0, 0, 3 digits we have. We just remove the column and write all the digits together. Now we have 3 digits only. As I said, it is compulsory for 24-hour clock time to have 4 digits. So we put 1 0 here in the beginning. And here it is. Catherine ma'am, is my screen blur showing? Catherine ma'am?
No,
No,
ma'am.
it is clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Who cannot see?
Ma'am,
Name.
Also,
What happened, Ayush?
ma'am is written for example, so we have to write a for example and start writing this also.
Yes.
For example.
Yes.
Everything that ma'am is writing, you have to write.
So, as I said, here in the 12-hour clock time, we will identify the time with the AM and the PM. But in the 24-hour clock time, we write the hours. And the short form of hours is HRS. Why I didn't change this time?
Ma'am, your
Because
voice is not coming.
I will repeat again. In 12-hour clock time, from midnight 1 o'clock till the 11:59 in the morning AM, then it will be same in the 24-hour clock time also, because it is less than 12. After 12 hours, after 1200 hours, then we will change the time. We will do with one more example, 1 upon 45 AM. Here also it will be 140.
And I had joined, then also my voice, your voice is not coming.
Log out and log in again, my dear.
Who is this?
Vihan.
Riddhi?
Vihan, I think.
Riddhi or Rehan?
So it is here also it's AM. So we will not change the time. Write 145, put a 0 here. As I told, we need the 4 digits. So write the hours. This will continue till the 11:59. Suppose if you have 11:55 AM. So here also you will write 11:55 hours. 1155 hours. As soon as you complete the 1200, start adding the 100 in the 24-hour clock time. That also I will explain you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why do we put 4 times means when we do it 24-hour clock? Why do we write 0145 or 1155?
As I told you that it is compulsory to have 4 digits in the 24-hour clock time, because it worked 2300 hours, right?
Yeah.
That is why it is compulsory. I will show you video on that also. You will understand it in a more better way. Okay?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear. Tell me.
Yes, Ayansh.
मैम अब 20 मैम 24 वाला साइड वाला बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है. 24
Now
hours
it is
वाला.
visible?
थोड़ा सा और मैम इधर कीजिए. थोड़ा सा. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So here also you can see 11:55 AM, 11:55 hours. Now if it is 12:59 AM, then also it is not completely, it's 13 hours. So we will write 12:59 hours only. As soon as it will complete 1 PM here, sorry, it is 1 PM you will write. As soon as it will complete 1 PM here, then we will convert it into the 13 hours. 1300 hours. Clear, children?
ma'am, can you show one time? Yes, ma'am. The example.
If it is 12:59 PM, then we will write also it is 12:59 hours only. It will 1300 hours only when it will complete the 1 PM.
No, ma'am, I'm telling. Can you tell the example one time?
I have told the example only, my dear.
Can you write the example? So
12:59 PM. And if you want to convert this 12:59 PM into the 24-hour clock time, you will just remove the colon, because still it is not complete 1 PM. After 1 PM, till the 11, yes, till the 11:59 PM, the time will be changed. We will add 12 hours in that time. I We'll
Ma'am.
show you that also.
Ma'am, when it is 1 p.m. in 24-hour
It-
clock, do we put colon?
No, in 24-hour clock, we will not put colon.
Ma'am, can you show example of 1 p.m.?
I will also do
Nishika,
that. First, everyone complete this.
you joined late, no? Today the class. Nishika, you joined the class late today. Why?
Ma'am, because there were network issues.
Children, she already explained this. So if you come late and keep asking questions which were explained in the beginning of the session, how is she supposed to move forward? She will.
So children, please write till here.
Done.
Now we will do time from 1 p.m. to the clock is same. To we are converting from 12-hour clock to the line will go same. One side is 12-hour and the another side is 24-hour clock time. But the situation change here. 1 p.m. to the 11:59 p.m. Now you will see the major changes in the time. After this, you
Ashvi has a question. Yes, Ashvi.
yes, Ashmi, tell me.
For this, we have to take a new page or we can continue the line.
Continue in the same page, or you can continue on the same divide part. Just write the heading this time from 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have taken a new page. Is it okay?
Okay, but you have to mention that this again. Whatever I have written here on the top.
Rahil, why aren't you writing?
So first
Rahil
column was
Patel.
our 12-hour clock time and the next column was our 24-hour clock time. Now our situation changed because we are moving from PM, the 12-hour clock time, and how we will write the time in the 24-hour clock time. In 12-hour clock time, 1 p.m., it will be 1 plus 12. It will be 13 because after 12, in digital clock, after 12, we will be counted as 1300. Clear, children? So 12 plus 1 is 13 and it will be 1300 hours. Next is 1:30 p.m. Now, 1 colon 13
Ma'am.
plus, yes.
Riddhi, in this first you had written 1 o'clock plus 12 is supposed to be, I didn't understand it.
My dear, 1 o'clock in the PM, right?
Yes.
In this, you have to add the 12 in your hours column. After colon, you know this is minutes.
Yes.
Yes, in digital clock, see, in digital clock, when I explained in the beginning, that in digital clock, please switch off your microphone. As I explained in the beginning also, in digital clock, in your 24-hour clock, after 1 p.m., the clock changes in the hour. This like 1200 will be the 12 p.m., then 1 p.m. will be your 1300 hours. Because when it complete the complete 24 hours, then it will be 2400. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So now when you have 1 and nothing is in the minutes, so this 12 hours will be added into your 1. So 12
Then what
hours
should I
plus 1 this. Yes, my dear.
Then we have to write this.
Yes, what we are doing from the beginning, we are writing, right?
Okay. Ma'am, but
Yes,
why
my
you
dear.
return is equals to P?
Equals to,
13 है.
it's not B, it's 13.
Oh.
Why 13? Because this is also 12 hours, 1200 you can say. Also 1200, you can say 12 also. So when you add 12 with this 1 hour, become the 13. And nothing is there in the minutes, you will write 00.
Okay.
Now comes the next time is 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. when you add again 12 in this, because this is already 1:30, you have 12. When you are converting into the 24-hour clock time, you have to add the 1200 hours in this. So 12 plus 1 is 13. You add in the hours with the hours, and 30 minutes you will write as it is, but you will not put the colon. So it will be 1330 hours. Am I clear till here? Now 9:35 p.m. will be what time? Please write the answer in the chat box. Now 9:35 will be what time in the
Ayansh, what is the
24-hour clock
problem?
time?
Ayansh
Please.
has a problem.
Yes,
Yes,
Ayansh.
Ayansh.
Tell me.
Ma'am, Ayush.
Yes,
Oh, sorry,
Ayush. Tell me.
Ayush. Sorry, Ayush.
Ma'am, I didn't understand it.
What?
What?
Where are you facing the problem?
Ma'am, in the which you make us understand now that this plus 12 is equal to 13.
Okay.
And that
So wait. I will show you first video. You will more
Ayansh, we can't
understand it,
hear
and
you.
then we will write it. Catherine ma'am, I'm going to present them.
Okay.
Just guide me.
Yes.
See now. There is one grandpa and grandson. They are talking about the time. They are standing on the railway station. The child is asking that from grandpa that what time this clock is showing. 17:00. Because in railway station, we usually get the digital clocks, and it show the time in 24-hour clock time. Now let's see how grandpa will solve his query. He will show him that this is showing 1700. So he will go to the clock and ask what time. He is asking from clock that when I step out from the train and I saw the time, it was 5 o'clock in my watch. But on digital clock, on railway station clock, it was showing 1700. So what that mean? He is asking from the clock. So it's showing the time as 17. So whether he is asking whether I am wrong or the railway station time is wrong. So he said these clocks are not wrong. So now let's see. According to the 12-hour clock system, each day is divided into two parts, 12 hours each. Right? You all know that 12 hours each, and again it will take the next round to complete it into the 24-hour clock. He's asking that this is why the 12. Now he will differentiate it. According to the 12-hour clock system, each day is divided into 12 parts of 12 hours. from AM to PM, anti-meridian from 12 noon, and after that 12 noon we will call the PM, post-meridian, till the 11:59 midnight, and for 12 o'clock midnight we use midnight, and after 12 o'clock midnight AM starts. This we have already learned.
Ayansh, do you have a question?
Now, listen, this clock is showing 12. Now, let's see. Wait, I will explain you again. Our clock system, for our clock system is written as number of hours that have passed. Midnight.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
we have
my,
to write.
yes, my dear.
Yes, Dhyan.
Oh.
No, when you are watching video, you don't have to write. See, in the 24-hour clock system, time is written as number of hours that have
Ma'am.
passed. Yes.
Black not coming.
Ma'am, the black box is not coming. There is written R
Wait.
in the picture.
See, in 24-hour clock system of time, time starts at 12 o'clock from midnight. And now let's see how the time change. See, 0 hours for 12 hours. The first hour after that is counted as 100 hours. Written as 200 hours. So we put 0 in the beginning and then 200 hours.
मैम बोर्ड नहीं आ रहा है आपका.
Let children to understand this first video, and after that I'll show them the board also.
Okay, fine. Ma'am, the video is on the wall.
You go to my present screen and see the video. Go to Renu Punjabi present screen and see the video. Now it's 4 a.m. at night, so it is 400 hours. Yes, as I was explaining you that if it is 4:30 a.m., so how you will write? So remove the colon and write 430 hours, add the 0 in the beginning. Yes, 1045 or 1045 hours. It till 12 o'clock in the afternoon, we will not add 12. Will be 100 hours. Will be 1300 hours.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No. 2 p.m. will be 1400 hours.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
why is the this 200, 200 and 300 this time?
In
This is-
24-hour clock time, we have total 23 hours, which end from 1 midnight. Please switch off your microphone. Other children, please switch off your microphone. 24-hour clock time starts from 12 midnight. when you see that when it is 12 midnight, it will show 0000, means the day ends at 24 hours. It will never show 24 in the digital clock. It will always show 4 zeros, 20 before the colon, 20 after the colon. But when we write the time, we will not write the colon. So digits which is before the colon are the hours, and 2 digits which is after the colon are the minutes. So our time starts from midnight 12 o'clock, and midnight 12 o'clock will show in the 24-hour clock, it show 4 zeros, 20 before the colon and 20 after the colon. Next, after that, as soon as the time will be 1 o'clock, it will be 100 hours. When it is 2 o'clock, it will be 200 hours. This way, it will complete the one turn. Which is 1200 hours. Now, after 1200 hours, let's see what is the time. See, as I told you here, it is 10:45 a.m. We will write 1045 hours. Now, till 12 o'clock, whether it is a.m. or whether it is 12-hour clock time or whether it is 24-hour clock time, only we will remove the a.m. and write the hours and remove the colon. Clear, children? So till a.m. the time difference is not there in the 12-hour clock and in the 24-hour clock. As soon as it completes the 12 noon, then the time changes. See, after 12 o'clock in the PM, the 100 hours. After that, 1 PM will be 1300 hours. Will be 1400 hours. 2 PM will be 1400 hours. And 3 PM will be 1300 hours. Now 11 PM will be, see how 11 PM you will write? Directly you will face problems. So what you will do? In 11 plus 12, which is already passed. So 12 plus 11 is 2300 hours. See now, 5 PM is 1700 hours. How? 5 plus 12 is 17, you all know, and it is in hundreds. So it will 1700 hours. Now, while converting 24-hour clock time to while converting 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, add 12 to the number and write the minutes same. Like see here, 8:15 PM. So 8 plus 12 is 20 and 15 minutes, which is minutes, will remains the same. Four PM. So 4 plus 12 is 16. So it is 1600 hours. So now, please switch off your mic. Now let's see one more thing. Till now we were converting the 12-hour clock time to the 24-hour clock time. Now from 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time, let's see, from 12 to 24 we were adding 12. Now from 24 to 12-hour clock time we will subtract 12. 1900 hours will be 19. Let's see, 19 minus 12 is 7. So it is 7 PM. Because it is 19, it is greater than 1200 hours. So 1436 hours minus 12, which is 2, and 36 minutes we will write as it is. So we are talking about 2:36 p.m. So now children, we will do it more in a bit. We understand it again here also on board. I think you are clear till here.
Yes,
Children, you
ma'am.
are clear till here now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we write one more thing and then we will continue it tomorrow also. So 9:35 p.m. What I will write for 9:35 here? Please write the answer here in the chat box. 9:35 p.m. when convert it into the 12-hour clock time, what time I will write? No, Nishika. Yes, Trisha, you are right, but don't put colon. When we are writing in the 24-hour, we will not put colon. Yes, very good, Vihan. So 9 plus, just a minute. 9 plus 12 is what? 21. And after 21, write the minutes as it is 35 hours. 21:35. All clear till here, children? Yes,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
time 21:35
Yes, ma'am.
minutes also will come.
Yes, ma'am.
So, rest of the topic we will continue it
ma'am.
tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So, we
Okay, ma'am.
end our class today here.